Now, the COVID vaccine rollout in New York and New Jersey is failing to meet demand.
From overloaded websites to supply shortages, many people are still having problems booking an appointment, just as more cases of the new variant have now been found here in New York. CBS News' John Diaz joins us live from the Javits Center, which is now being used for mass vaccinations. John?
Yeah, good morning, Chris. Good morning, Marion. This vaccine mega hub opened up just yesterday, and already appointments are booked solid for weeks now. Not being able to get an appointment is a frustration shared across the entire tri-state area. This morning, a rocky rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine continues, while the Javits Center has now been transformed into a vaccine facility outside the city and in the suburbs. Some eligible for the vaccine can't make it past the first step. Many reporting no available time slots for months in Westchester and Rockland counties. And Orange County Executive Steve Newhouse tells us supply is a challenge.
We got 800 doses personally delivered to the county last Tuesday. We went through it all within 24 hours. And unfortunately, we requested an additional 3,000 doses on Friday and only received 200.
79-year-old Anita Gandolfo was hoping to get one of those doses, but is having major problems getting an appointment. She can only get the vaccine if she travels 50 miles away and waits until March.
All week, I've been checking with places. Nobody in Orange County has the vaccine this week, including very big medical conglomerates.
Governor Cuomo has said limited federal allocation is impacting distribution of the vaccine. But in a tweet Wednesday, he stated doses administered have increased by 67,000. Meantime, in New Jersey, the Garden State is expanding eligibility. Starting today, New Jersey residents 65 and older are eligible for a COVID vaccine, along with certain people between 16 and 64 if they are battling health issues like cancer, kidney disease, or are a smoker.
Smoking puts you at significant risk for an adverse result from COVID-19, and there are 2 million smokers in New Jersey that fit into this category.
But some do not agree with that method.
We are the most vulnerable population.
Back in New York City, Mayor Bill de Blasio is again calling for a travel ban on flights from the United Kingdom after 12 more cases of the new coronavirus strain linked to the UK have been found in New York State, 2 discovered in the city, 4 on Long Island.
Here's proof positive. Someone who was in the UK has brought the variant back here. Although I appreciate the federal government is finally acting to restrict who can get on an international flight and require them to have a negative coronavirus test, that's not good enough.
And Mayor Bill de Blasio continues to warn at the current rate the city is going, the city is expecting to run out of vaccines by next week. Of course, he is still calling on the federal government, though, to send more doses. We're live this morning from the Javits Center. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.